Okay, so in this video, we're going to show you how you can expose Snowflake DAG metadata to your orchestration tool. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at this pipeline. This is a super simple pipeline, and what we're going to do here is effectively kick off this Snowflake task. And you can see in our builder, this is very simple. It's just executing a couple of Snowflake queries in parallel. However, in reality, this task is actually kind of complex. We kind of kick something off, and then we do a couple of things in parallel, and then run a few more queries. And this level of lineage is obviously lost if you trigger this kickoff task using kind of any other orchestration tool. But because Orchestra has a deep integration with Snowflake, you don't lose that with us. So when we zoom out, we can see all of this sub-DAG metadata is rendered. We have things like the runtime and then the query, but also, and really importantly, on the root task, we have other really helpful metadata like Snowflake credits. So yeah, that's a quick demonstration on how you can get full visibility of Snowflake sub-DAGs in Orchestra, including interesting metrics like cost.